it's gonna be a different video. Obviously, I'm in my bed right now, but that's because I'm sick. But I'm not gonna let that stop me from keeping this streak going. I'm gonna be consistent with these videos, of course. But being sick actually made me just sit in bed all day and just reflect. I've been craving to get back to my normal day-to-day life. I've honestly missed doing the things I love. And genuinely, I find it boring just waiting in bed all day. But it also made me reflect and kind of grounded me. It was kind of a humbling experience. It humbled me because we tend to forget that on daily basis when we're not sick, we perform at our best. We're literally performing with good health. But we don't take the time to be grateful of that. We don't show gratitude. A lot of us don't do it. I know I don't do it either. And this is when I came to my senses. We should all show gratitude. It's all a learning experience, but we should show gratitude on our day-to-day lives, right? We're performing at this good health, and the second you get sick, you start to miss the things you do. And I also came across a big pill to swallow. This is genuinely like the truth, but when you're sick, you tend to like start planning ahead. You start to think, oh, well, since I'm sick, the second I get back, I'm gonna hit the gym. I'm gonna do this and I'm gonna do that. It's like your brain's way of finding stuff to do the second there is a reason, right? The reason is I'm sick, but in order to combat that later on, my mind's like, oh, let's start going to the gym, let's do this and that. And this is like a big mistake. This is how our brains think. And I've come to realization that you don't need a reason. You should just do it anyways. You don't know what tomorrow holds, right? Tomorrow's a mystery. Today's the present. So just do it. If you, this is like a famous quote, and I've heard of this the other day. If you want to do something and your mind is telling you not to do it. Your mind is trying to protect you, right? And I get that. But if you have a desire to do a certain action, then sometimes you should just do it because you never know what happens, right? Like the gym thing, right? The situation where I said about the gym, like it took me for me to be sick to realize, oh, it's time I should look after my health. It's time I should go do this and that, right? When I could have done this before I was sick, I could have looked after myself, but nope, I didn't do that. I paid for a membership and I didn't even go to the gym. I'm literally wasting money. But the second I get sick, I'm like instantly realizing, oh yeah, it's time to go gym. It's time to do that. So don't wait for a reason. Don't wait for universe to like. Don't wait. Don't wait on anything. Just literally, if there's a thought in your head and it's telling you to do something, just man, it's 99% of the time just do it and then just get that experience. You don't need to wait, and the universe will then give you more and more experiences that way, right? Instead of waiting around for something to happen, just do it. Like that's what I've come to senses today. But yeah, um, being sick is honestly a humbling experience at the end of the day. But yeah, thanks for watching.